साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया मैंने सुन लिया. Hello guys, today we are learning Pehla Nasha. So we'll need four chords. So the chords are F major, B flat or A sharp, or you can do like this, F major as well on the bar and open like this. So F major, B flat, then C major and D minor. Now for the intro, you just need to strum one downstroke, so it will be चाहे तुम कुछ, then B flat, ना कहो, then again F major, मैंने सुन, then C major लिया, again F major, के साथी प्यार, then C major का, then D minor, मुझे चुन लिया, then B flat लिया, चुन लिया, C major, again one more C major, मैंने चुन लिया. Now the strumming, now the chorus will be start from F major and the strumming will be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So it will be F major, D minor, C major on the first line. So it will be Pehla Nasha, Pehla Kumar. So it will be on the F, it will be downstroke 2 times, Pehla, then D minor, Nasha 2 times on the D minor, down, down, then Pehla Kumar, down, down, up, down, up, down. So it will be on the F, down, down, then D minor, down, down, then C major, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So it will be Pehla Nasha, Pehla Kumar, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार. Now B flat, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना, F major, हाल, back to B flat, ए दिल बेकरार, F major, then again B flat, मेरे दिल बेकरार. Now C major, तू ही बता, then back to Pehla Nasha. So Pehla Nasha, Pehla Kumar. Now the second verse will be start from F major, so it will be उड़ता ही फिरूं, D minor, फिरूं इन हवाओं, C major, इन हवाओं में कहीं, F major. So it will be उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, again same chord, या मैं झूल जाऊं down, make a he. So F, D minor, C major and F major. Now you'll need a B flat, ek kar do aasaman, then F major, zameen koi maro kya karoon, kya nahi, one downstroke on C, kya nahi, then B flat, then C, one on downstroke, then back to Pehla Nasha. So Pehla